ECBA 200, week 5 paper edition this week. I certainly hope that you are taking advantage of these follow my mouse videos each week to help you see how you could be adding content to your cumulative paper. If not, then so be it. But my hope is that you're taking advantage of these. So you'll see that this paper is coming along quite well. This is, again, my sample student paper. If you want to look at these in more detail, just go to the prior videos that I have for those particular weeks. This week happened to be on solutions to the challenges that you face. So last week we talked about challenges and issues, and you added that particular content in there. And in this student example, we came up with 3 different challenges, one being work-life balance, one being financial challenges, and the final one being reading and writing discipline. And so anytime that you're faced with challenges, you are required, or you should, provide solutions for those challenges. So what you'll be looking at this week, and what I've added this week, are proposed solutions to the challenges that you've added above. So the first challenge you had was work-life balance, and so I've provided a solution to work-life balance. And I'll just read this to you. Finding a balance between education and personal life is more difficult for non-traditional students due to being married, having a family, and working more than traditional students. And I provided the source from the CSU online library. Again, you need to make sure that you provide supporting sources here. You're going to need those in this degree program. So don't fight it. Get used to using the CSU online library. This is something that will require me to take advantage of the resources the university offers. Institutions providing alternative formats such as distance learning, online, and on-site classes offer flexible schedules for non-traditional students, and we certainly have that here at CSU. The second solution was to your second challenge, which was a financial challenge. And so let me read that. Non-traditional students fitting the age criteria of 25 and older reported significant financial stress and have limited resources focused on their specific needs compared to those of traditional student counterparts. That is absolutely true. And so one of the solutions here, according to Daughtry and Woodland, academic institutions must provide the same commitment and intensive programs for non-traditional students as they do for traditional students. I may need to have access to resources, financial education sessions, financial guidance, and counseling services offered by the university. I will also investigate any types of loans, scholarships, and grants that are available to me. Okay? And then the final solution this week is a solution to reading and writing discipline. And this is something that CSU offers, and I would encourage you to take advantage of. The university offers a student writing lab that is available to all students. The writing lab provides trained faculty and advanced students to help new and incoming students become more familiar and reintroduce them to effective writing and research methods. These appointments can be in person or online. And then here is your supporting source here. One of the best ways to quickly adapt to academic environment for adult students is to take advantage of university-supplied writing resources. And so you'll see, and again, not so much what I have written here, but you'll see how this works. Again, last week you were presented with some challenges. You wrote the challenges that you face. And then this week you provided solutions to each one of those challenges, adding in the research that you found at the CSU online library, okay? And so that is a key thing that I wanted to make sure that's getting across. Hopefully you see how this paper is flowing. And then you come down here into the references section. And for every source that you found that you've used in your paper, you have to list the appropriate reference for these. So if any of you are interested, I would be more than happy to provide a hard copy of this so that you can look at it. But in the meantime, I would encourage you to continue to watch these videos as we go along and see how this paper is coming together. All right, if you have any questions, make sure you reach out. Take care.